Hello guys, welcome back to another day of my video travel vlog. This is my first day in Singapore guys, so I'm going to show you around Singapore, and this is the hostel I'm staying now, Ring Capsule Hotel. Okay guys, so I'm in Singapore now and I'm going to explore the city of Singapore. I'm going to show you all the places in the Singapore. Kindly like and subscribe my YouTube channel guys. Right now I'm in the city of Little India, so it's kind of Indian place. That's what I was told. Like mostly Singapore, this place is the most populated Indian community in this place guys. So we're gonna walk around a little bit, show you around, and let's see how it goes guys. Kindly like, subscribe my YouTube channel guys. So I'm in the Little India in Singapore guys. Wow, it's very hot, and it's 30 degrees, so we are walking around guys. It's really nice. So guys, I'm walking on the road of Perik Road, and there's church over here, Church of the True Light. Wow, I thought Singapore is a Muslim country, kind of Muslim, you know. Now there's a church here, Church of True Light. So guys, let's go, let's explore. Getting hot, I need to put on my cap, you know. Okay, can I say bye? Okay guys, wow, there are so many Indians here in Singapore. Wow, can't believe it. Indian Heritage Center. So now our first stop is Indian Heritage Center. We're gonna pass through there. Let's see how it goes. So like I told you, I was told mostly Indian people are the one living here. That's so nice. So let's go. Let's explore the city. Let's interact with Indian, Pakistans. Let's see how it goes. Bye, कैसा? Bye. अच्छा? अच्छा. That's so beautiful. So guys, I'm still walking on the streets in Little India. Kindly recommend any place which is very nice for us to go to explore in Singapore. This is my first time in Singapore. My first time in Singapore, and I'm loving this place. I'm loving this Indian community. It's so nice. It's really, really nice at this Indian community. Wow, that's so lovely. So ever since I started doing vlog, I never met any black person here. I don't know, maybe there are no black people over here. So let's explore where this city of Singapore take us. That's all, bye. Okay guys, so let's go. I just seen some black woman over there. That's nice. That's nice to meet another black person in Singapore. Oh, still one of the tourist spots. So anyone who know this place, kindly comment on the section below. Private property. They said it's one of the famous Indian tourist sites. So if you know this place, just comment on this location. Kasa bhai? Acha? Where from? India?
India.
Which place?
Chandigarh.
Chandigarh. I was in Mumbai yesterday. Mumbai.
Yeah.
Very nice. Wow. How was Singapore?
It is very good.
Very good.
Yeah.
You been in Dubai before?
No.
Okay. This is my first time in Singapore. But here, too much Indians.
Yeah, this is a Little India.
Little India.
This place is Little India, so
Many people, eh? Wow.
Where are you from?
From Ghana, but I live in Dubai. So I'm here on vacation. Wow. Really, really nice. So this building is what?
This is a private house. It's the former house of Little Tan and it's a very old house.
So the Tan Ting Hit
Is the owner of name.
She's India?
No. The Singaporean very old.
Very old house. Wow. So too much tourists coming. So guys, one thing I noticed about Singapore, it's not anywhere where you smoke. For example, this place is the designated area where people can sit, stand and smoke. If you smoke somewhere like near to a restaurant or near to a public area, you're gonna get fined. So you see all these guys, they are just sitting here for smoking, and they have a toilet outside also. So here I think I'm in a Bengali area. So guys, I'm going to show you all the places in Singapore, right? So here we are in the Indian side. So later on we go to the luxurious area, which is the Marina Bay and all that. So guys, like, subscribe my YouTube channel. Okay guys, so here is the Mustafa Center. Very big building. So guys, we are walking on the street. I'm really thirsty. Let's get some coconuts over here. Bye. पैसा कितना पैसा कोकोनट कितना पैसा कितने कितने $2.50 give me एक piece give me अच्छा coconut give me अच्छा coconut हिंदी नहीं है
Good one in town, always has here.
Let's see. Alright, so guys, we are going to enjoy our coconuts. Yeah. That's very huge coconut. Very huge. That's coconuts in Singapore.
How is it? Good?
So nice. So nice. Yeah. Very heavy also.
No, it is heavy and very big. So filling.
Where is coconuts from? From Singapore here or?
No. I think Malaysia or China. I don't know.
You can eat the inside. Yeah. That's really nice. Coconut so nice, guys. So this coconut costs 2 point something shoes. Hi, how much is it? 250. Yeah, $2.50 for this big coconut. Guys, like, subscribe my YouTube channel, guys. We're exploring Singapore.